My name is Omkar Satish Jadhav and I am in third year electrical engineering. Today we are going to study about wind power technology. So, in today's presentation, we are going to cover 6 different topics related to wind power technology. First, need of maintenance. Second, general maintenance. Third, scheduled maintenance. Fourth, unscheduled maintenance. Fifth, insurance related issues. And sixth, warranty. So, the first topic is need of maintenance. Wind farm maintenance is any process used to keep wind turbines in consistent working order. Maintenance workers on wind farms lubricate moving parts such as gearboxes and bearings, check connections within the system, and resolve any major issues that may develop. Second topic is general maintenance of large wind power plant. The general maintenance of the wind power plants is normally done 1 or 2 times per year. The routine maintenance is fallen into the general maintenance category. Following are several general maintenance performed in the wind power plants. Normally, these routine maintenance are performing in every 3 months. Record and report of the performance of the wind turbine periodically. Maintenance of the scrutiny reports. Maintenance of the inventory of spares. The mentioned type of the maintenance is a really basic type of maintenance which helps to have a better understanding of the entire system of the wind power plant. Most of the things are document related work, and however, it is essential to perform such activities to have a better wind power system. Third topic, scheduled maintenance of large wind power plant. The scheduled maintenance is also known as preventive maintenance. Normally, the preventive maintenance are conducted 2 times per year in modern wind turbines. Scheduled maintenance is a pre-planned maintenance process, and normally the manufacturer of the wind power plant provide the preventive maintenance schedule for the better performance of the wind turbine. Normally, the scheduled maintenance have consisted following items. First, routine checkups. Second, periodic testing. Third, periodic maintenance. Fourth, blade cleaning. And fifth, higher voltage equipment maintenance. The fourth topic is unscheduled maintenance. Unscheduled maintenance is also known as breakdown maintenance, and the maintenance are performed when the machine is a defect. The performance of the wind power plant or farm is monitoring through a supervisory control and data acquisition system. So, when the system is diagnosis some issues or faults, the system detects it very fast. So, it is really easy to find out which part get fault condition in the wind power plant. To solve such faults, it can use the operation manuals given by the manufacturer to understand to solve such faults. The unscheduled faults or breakdown faults can categorize as following. Faults by wear and tear. Human-based error. Operational errors such as yaw error, pitching errors, excessive vibrations, etc. The complexity of the wind turbine. Natural disasters like heavy storm or lightning. The unscheduled maintenance is really important to attend it, and this is the most vital type of maintenance to perform. Breakdown of the wind power plant are also affected commercially. When the downtime of such maintenance is affected in the longer period, it got an impact on commercially. Fifth topic is wind turbine insurance. As our energy needs continue to rise, the search for environment-friendly, cost-efficient and renewable energy grows. The ever-increasing use of renewable energy, whether by wind farms solar, biomass or biofuels will help reduce impact to the environment and is making a positive contribution to American energy independence, the economy and the environment. Solar Insure has been insuring wind energy companies for years, and we understand your company's unique exposure. That's one reason we are the insurer of choice for so many of the world's renewable energy companies. Sixth, Sixth and the last topic of today's presentation, wind turbine warranty. A warranty is normally designed to protect a product from the failure of its component parts over a specific period. A typical warranty will depend on the type of wind turbine that you have installed and can be anything from 2 to 10 years. With this, I conclude today's presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.